It's time now for another Harrod's Cookhouse recipe, brought to you by Micklich, the Spokane Spice Company. Today we're making creamy dill salmon and shrimp, a recipe inspired by Chef Justin Moore at the Last Stop Saloon in the Dalles, Oregon.
Flip it, and I'll start adding my next bit. Just kind of let that mix in.
Start by seasoning flour with Harrod's Cookhouse lemon and dill seasoning. Lightly coat salmon fillet and brown both sides in a hot oiled skillet. Then add shrimp and garlic, cook for a minute more. Add heavy cream, fresh dill, and simmer until reduced with a yellow hue. Serve over polenta. Garnish with lemon and dill seasoning, smoked paprika, and a sprig of fresh dill, and enjoy. For this and other great fish and wild game recipes, visit the Harrod Outdoors website and YouTube channel.